Hey, this is Ashley from RecPro, and I'm here with my friend Lindsay. We're going to talk about these on-the-go 17-inch tabletop griddle. So there are two of them. There's RP-2236, and that is the model with just the hood right here, and there's RP-2237, and that is with the hood and the stand.
These things are pretty amazing. They can fit up to 12 burgers, 4 steaks, 25 hot dogs, 9 pancakes, 12 eggs, and can feed up to like 2 to 6 people. This has a 17-inch cooking space and it's roughly about 267 square inches. The griddle top is cast iron. It is durable and attractive, and it has a rolled steel griddle top, and it prevents hot and cold spots.
It also has a piezo style igniter, which means you don't need batteries and you don't need electricity to get the fire going. It also has a rear grease management system at the very back. It's got a little tray which the grease can go into. It also has this really nice hood on top. You can keep it closed during when it's in storage to keep it nice and safe, or you can keep it closed when you're using it to try and bake the stuff inside. It also has this really nice orange handle on the front of it, which makes a pretty comfortable grip and a very durable grip as well. At the very bottom here, if you choose the stand, it is both collapsible and adjustable, which means you can extend it like this when you're cooking on it, and you can take it back in so that it is a lot easier to use.
This griddle is a nice sleek black color, and it has really nice orange accents to make it look very attractive. It is also really portable, which is really convenient.
And it uses propane as a fuel source right down here. It is compatible with 1-pound propane bottles, or you could also use 20 or 30-pound propane tanks if you have the adapter readily available. That is really great for if you're going on a long camping trip or you're a long cookout and you don't want to have to switch between bottles. But 1 pound propane bottle can last about 3.5 hours on low or about 2 hours on high. Of course, results may vary. And because this is a propane stove, make sure that you are using it outdoors instead of indoors.
Inside the griddle, it has a single H burner, which makes cooking really even. It runs about 12,500 BTUs, and we'll stick up the dimensions on the screen so that you guys will know what those are. But it's about a total of 49.6 pounds.
So if you want to know more about this, you can click the link below, then like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.